Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Hello. Welcome to the Birthing Center of New York Educational Center. Here we teach the American Heart Association, BLS, CPR, infant CPR, children's CPR, first aid, and the use of AED. I am a certified American Heart Association, BLS, CPR, AED instructor. We teach adults, infant, and children CPR. Imagine looking in on your baby and the baby is not moving. Do you know how to respond? Imagine being in the playground with other children and another child goes down. Do you know how to respond? Imagine sitting at dinner and somebody, one of your friends, have an allergic reaction. Would you know how to respond? In my class, I will teach you how to respond. Do you know what AED is? Take my class. And it actually comes on.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest.
So you get the opportunity to actually use one, because every restaurant and every public facility should have one. What's the point of them having one if you don't know how to use it? Remember I spoke to you about allergies? Most people who have allergies have an EpiPen on them. They have an EpiPen on them. But if the person that's saving them don't know how to use it, then the EpiPen becomes useless. We have the EpiPen, and we can train you on how to use it. Please, go to our website, visit us, view the testimonies, sign up for one of our classes, or you can call at 929-888-6996. Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care. Save a life. American Heart Association and Nurse Jackie saying, be safe. Bye.